In this video, we will learn about classes in C++. As you may have learned when programming in other languages, any programming language that has the concept of classes and objects is called an object-oriented programming language. A class is one of the user-defined types that we will learn about in this section. At the top of the code, we will include the string header file. To create a class, we start out by using the class keyword. Then comes the name of the class. For this example, we will create a class named person. Inside of the curly braces comes the variables for our class. We also refer to them as attributes. Our person class will have a public string attribute name and a public int attribute age. Public means that the other code in our program, outside of our class, can access and set these attributes. Now we have a person class with two attributes, name and age. We still need to actually create an object out of the class. An object is essentially an instance of the class, and classes serve as the blueprint for objects. Let's create a variable of type person named person1. We will assign it a name of Rob and an age of 27. Let's output the attributes of person1 to the console so that we can see that the object was correctly created and the values of its attributes correctly assigned. We will output the string person1 and then a new line, then the string name, the name of person1 and then a new line, and then the string age, person1's age, and then a new line. After that, we will output another new line to the console. When we run the code, notice that the attributes of person1 were successfully output to the console. Let's look at another example of creating a person object. We will create a variable of type person named person2. Next, we will assign person2 a name of Sally and an age of 25. Let's output the attributes of person2 to the console. When we run the code, notice that person2 has a name of Sally and an age of 25, just like we specified.